Grammar Lesson 3. Let's talk about word order in an English sentence. This acronym will help us a lot. SVOMPT. Subject, verb, object, manner, place, time. SVOMPT. Subject can be, for example, I. Verb, play. What do you play? This is an object. I play tennis. So tennis is an object. How do you play it? This is the manner. I play it very much, or I play it very hard. Then we have place. So where do you play it? So I play it in the hall. I play tennis very hard in the hall. And how often do you play it? Or when do you play it? So I play it every day. So this is the sentence. I play tennis very hard in the hall every day. If we have an adjective in a sentence, then it usually goes before the noun. An old house, a big boy, a nice car. Sometimes it is after a verb. It is good. She is nice. Then we have frequency adverbs in a sentence, and these go before the verb. It is always and usually, often, never, ever, and more of these. I usually play tennis on Mondays. They often go to work by car. She never eats chocolate. Possessive pronouns. These pronouns imply possession, belonging. I am Eva, and it is my car. You are Tom, and it is your car. She is Sylvia, and it is her car. He is Michael, and it is his car. It is a car, and it is its motor. We are Jack and Sue, and it is our car. You are Lucy and Joe, and it is your car. And they are Richard and Mel, and it is their car. Present continuous or progressive tense. This tense describes what is happening right now, around now, currently, or these days. You use the verb to be. You know it from lesson 1. I am, question. Am I? Negative, I am not. Plus the verb with ing ending. Play, playing. Work, working. Do, doing. So then the sentence looks like this. I am sitting. I am teaching. The birds are singing. My husband is working. My children are playing. Questions. Are you sleeping? Is she working? Are they playing? Where are you going? What are you doing? And the negative. I am not sleeping. She is not working. They're not playing.